In this video, I am going to show you how to connect an HY300 projector to HDMI. So first of all, you would like to connect the HDMI cable. Take an HDMI cable and connect one end to your device and the other end to the HDMI ports on the projector. This is the back of it, and you should have an HDMI place. If your laptop only has a USB-C, you will have to use a USB-C to HDMI adapter. Then go and power on as example or turn on your projector. Plug the projector into power, press the power button on the projector remote, and wait until the home screen appears. Then using your remote, press on source or press on source or input, then select your HDMI option. The projector manual states that after connecting an external device, you must enter the HDMI input to display its video, so make sure to do that. And if you're using a Windows laptop as an example, you can press or you can either access settings, system, then display, and choose to extend these display, or just press Windows P as an example and choose duplicate or extend. So duplicate will basically duplicate your screen into the projector. Extend will basically identify it as a second screen. So the image should appear automatically after selecting the HDMI inputs, and you should be good to go. If the image isn't clear, of course, turn on the focus wheel or turn the focus wheel basically until the picture is sharp. And you can even use the keystone correction if the image looks tilted. So the HY300 supports manual focus and keystone adjustments, the image alignments. And yeah, that should be it. So that's how you connect an HY300 projector to HDMI. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.